Would you like advise people like us, for example, just like dollar cost average into our investment portfolio no matter what's going on? Or do you take pauses in the way like someone recommend like someone like us invest, or just dollar cost average each and every month by default kind of thing?
Absolutely. If I look at some of the mistakes that I made, I look at, during the great financial crisis, and looking back on it, it looks bad. Being in it, it was horrible. You thought the whole economy was going to collapse. I mean, it was panic. And, I made a couple moves, small moves that I regret with my, went a little more conservative in my 401k, but not much. But absolutely, if I was sitting here in Jennifer's position and I said I had 6 months of expenses and I don't know the rest of your story, if you have a job or whatever, now would be the time. I would probably bring that down to 2 months of expenses and take that 4 months and invest in the stock market. Historically, what happened is yesterday is stocks just went on sale 5%. Now, if you're 55 and 65, you're like, oh my gosh, my nest egg just went down 50%. But you have to think of it as a sale. This is a big opportunity to take some of that, take a little more risk and say, hey, okay, I'm going to go down to 2 months of a nest egg. Hey, I could always get a job and work a little bit more. I can get a weekend job doing something. But this is millionaires are made bear markets. And this is what happens is, guys like Warren Buffett take tens of millions of dollars and buy stock when they're on sale 30%.
I was thinking the stocks are on sale. That's something I was just talking about with my husband recently. That we actually, after this interview, not after this interview immediately, but later tonight, we're going to have a conversation about. But yeah, the stocks are on sale. That's it fans are butt.
What's hard to do, and this is what I did during the great financial crisis and other bear markets, just stop looking at your 401k, stop looking at your 401k balance. Just don't look at it.
It makes you sad.
Just move on. And you've got to think of it. And in reality, you're not fooling yourself by saying they're on sale. They actually are on sale. 100% of the time that the stock market has dropped, it has returned. It's not a promise for the future, but it's a pretty good track record. So they are on sale right now. And you look fast forward 3 years, you'll be kicking yourself for not trying to put more in the stock market when they're down in price.